Hi viewers, welcome back to Urmila Babu's kitchen. Today I am going to make mango curry. This is called midi mango. This is small mangoes. I will show how I remove the skin. Skin should be removed like this. Now I kept little hot water. I am putting this mango. Quarter teaspoons of haldi powder and little jaggery piece. If the mango is sour, you can add more jaggery. If it is very sweet, you can add little according to your taste. Now we will make the masala. 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. About 10 medium chili I am putting. Then 1 tablespoon Bengal gram chana dal, 1.5 tablespoon urud dal, half tablespoon jeera, quarter teaspoon mustard, 3 tablespoon dhania. And not even quarter teaspoon methi seed I am putting. Methi seed should be very less, otherwise it will be bitter. The masala will become little bitter. Few curry leaves you can put. About 5 curry leaves and cotton nariyal, half of the half. 1 coconut you should make into 4 portions and 1 portion you have to put it. Now you can paste this nicely, you can paste it. Now I will put some salt, half tablespoon salt I am putting. Then the ground paste, masala paste I am going to add. Now I am putting 1 tablespoon of coconut oil for seasoning for the mango curry. Putting some mustard, red chili. Now I am putting on this mango curry seasoning. Mustard, red chili and coriander. Curried.